In this video, we will look at some brand new features to Microsoft Teams assignments. All right, here we can see I'm in a class team, and let's jump over to the assignments area here. And we're going to go ahead and build out a new assignment. So I'll go to Create, and I'll go to Assignment. All right, so in this assignment, I'm going to have my students share their favorite holiday tradition. Now, the way they're going to do this is I'm going to give them an option with these two brand new features for turning in your work. Down here under New, when we click here, you can see that there's now video recording and whiteboard. So with the video recording, I can have my students record a video of themselves explaining their answer. Or I could utilize the Microsoft Whiteboard and students could draw their response. And so what I'm going to do here is in my instructions, I'm going to tell them how to get started. Okay, so here in my instructions, I'm letting them know that I would like them to share about their holiday traditions. And I'm giving them the option of either sharing through video recording or a whiteboard drawing. They will need to click the plus new button below and then choose video recording or whiteboard. And of course, when they're done, they need to close the file and click turn in. Now, of course, you don't have to give the students choice all the time. There might be situations where you just request a video recording or you just request a whiteboard drawing. It just depends on the task. All right, so you can give this points as usual if you would like. You can also decide who is receiving this assignment, and then of course you can set a due date. Some other things you may not be aware of is that now you can post the assignment to their calendars. So here where it says add assignment to calendars, we could actually come here and select students only, students and me, students and team owners. I'm going to go ahead and select students only, so that copies to their calendar as a reminder to them. Also, normally assignments posted in the general channel, but you can now edit this if you would like your assignment to post in a different channel. You'll notice here I have several channels, and so you have that option as well. All right, so those are kind of the new features here of the team assignment. I'm going to go ahead and assign this now, and then we'll jump over and take a look at the student view. Okay, so here I am in the student view, and you can see that the assignment pops up here in the general channel where it was specified. And I can also jump over here to the assignments area and access the assignment this way as well. Here we see the holiday traditions. So as the student, I'm going to go ahead and click into this. And here we go. I've got my instructions here of what to do. And of course, I would click on New, and there's my options. I have video recording and I have whiteboard. Let's take a look at video recording first. And here we are with the video. Hey everybody, how you doing? Okay, and so the student would now come down here and click the red record button. Hey, Mr. Dvorak, my favorite holiday traditions include getting together with my family and singing holiday songs. All right, see you later. And then, of course, they'll click pause, and we can now go to review. And here you can see we have an opportunity to trim the video in the front or in the end. We can play it back to review it. And then, of course, if we don't like it, we can go here to record again. Or if we're happy with it, we're going to go ahead and click Publish. Here we have an opportunity to name the file. And then we'll go ahead and click Upload. And done. Okay, and so there we see our file is attached for the teacher to access. Now, let's take a look at the whiteboard option. Let's say I'm another student and I wanted to go ahead and use whiteboard. I'll go ahead and click New, and I will select Whiteboard. First thing we do is name our whiteboard. So then you're going to see the file load in, and at this point the student needs to click on the file to then open it. And here we go. The whiteboard loads right here within Class Teams, and I can go ahead and start using my drawing tools to assemble my picture. And obviously, you know, I can take advantage of different colors of my pens. I can come over here and add post-it notes, text boxes, shapes, reactions, and images. And I can design a beautiful drawing here to represent my holiday traditions. All right, and then when the student's done, they go ahead and click on Close. And then up here at the top right, we go ahead and turn in. Oh, all right, the treasure box. Okay, so now if I go back to the teacher view, and here we'll go ahead and click into the assignment. And we will see here that we have one turned in. So we'll go ahead and look at that student's work. Notice the work will load right here for us to review. We can play it back.
Hey, Mr. Dvorak.
We can also click on the whiteboard file. And if it was only a whiteboard file, that would load first. And as usual, we can give feedback to the student here. And we can provide the points if we chose, and then return it to them. And of course, up at the top, we can click the drop down and select another student, or click next to navigate to the next student's work. But mainly we wanted to call out here this great integration of video recording and Microsoft Whiteboard into the assignment builder. All right, hope that helps. Have a fantastic day.